Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to go out onto social media and find clients, but you really don't understand the benefits of social media, and you don't understand if really social media is the best place for you to be out there marketing yourself so that you can find clients consistently, and you really want to figure out the difference between social media, right, and traditional media? Well, in this video, I'm going to break down both of them. We'll talk to you specifically about which one is better and the benefits, and the benefits and not so much benefits of both, and specifically which ones you should be focusing on so that you can find your next clients to help you make your first or next 100K for your life coach or healing business. Let's rock and roll.
We all win when we all win. All win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend, it's Super Sid,
the Marketing Shaman.
and I help life coaches and healers find their first or next 100K online with profitable presentations. And today, I want to go over with you social media 101, specifically the difference between traditional, right, marketing and say social media marketing and their platforms. I want to go over with you specifically which platforms are better. Is it even worth it for you to be online? And specifically how to get started online so that you can find your next clients. Let's go. All right, so to start this video off, let's talk about the old traditional marketing, but let's also talk about what traditional marketing does and specifically what it's for. So in marketing, we have what's classified as brand identity, and we have the other one which is classified as direct response. Brand identity marketing is where you're looking to get someone to feel a certain way, right, when they see your logo or when they see your commercial or when they see your piece of marketing or hear your piece of marketing or whatever it might be, right? But then you also on the other side of that have what's classified as direct response, which isn't about feeling or emotion, right? It's going to be more around buy my stuff now, right? And direct response marketing really came prominent in the Super Bowl when Belovia, came out with the first direct response marketing ad that was all about, Belovia tells time and you should buy a Belovia watch and this and that, right? And it really came into direct, marketing fold. It wasn't just about feeling good anymore. It was about buying stuff when you saw the ad now, and that was when direct marketing started. So really when we look at traditional marketing, you're gonna be looking at a lot of things that really are offline. So really anything that's offline when it comes to billboards, right? Magazine ads, newspaper ads, commercials, right? Really anything like that, that's really what you're gonna be looking at when it comes to traditional marketing. So when you're doing traditional marketing, typically your targeting is not going to be as sharp, right, as direct response. Now that makes sense, right? Because you're putting it out to a lot bigger of a net. Right, a lot bigger of a net. Now, if you have a lot of money, right, to spend on advertisement, you have a lot of money to go out there and spend on graphic design, and you really want to go out there and do that big E entrepreneurship of, spending tons of money, tens of thousands of dollars, and trying to have this massive launch, then yeah, traditional marketing is definitely a part of what we should be looking at, but traditional marketing is not something that I would be looking at as an entrepreneur who is looking to go out there and make as much money as we can fast. But traditional marketing is definitely still used. It's definitely very much still not only popular but effective. We really just got to look at when and where is it best for us to use those traditional marketing outlets so that we can really make people more aware, right, about what it is that we're doing and how it is that we can help them. Before I go into online marketing and specifically how online marketing can work for your life coach and healing business so that you can find clients, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day, helping show life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 100K for their business. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so let's go into the online marketing part, and let's specifically go into how does online marketing work kind of at a granular level, right? Let's really look at it from a 40,000 foot view here. So a lot of people that get into online marketing, they get into social media marketing specifically, and they're like, how does this even work? You're not next to the person, you're not talking to the person, this is all done through links and through words on a screen, right? But here's the truth, right? A lot of people go to social media, they go online to find things, right? Think about if you got in a wreck, right? You're not hopping on your phone and calling somebody, you don't know who to call, right? You're not getting in that phone book, you don't keep the phone book in the car, right? You're going on to Google and you're searching for who to call to get help, right? You really are. After you call 911, it's okay, I gotta go and I gotta get help, right? So who do I call? I call my lawyer. Not a lot of people have personal injury lawyers just in their phone anymore, right? So you go and you do that. Now, if you really look at how much time is spent on social media, what you're going to find is that really across the board, more people are spending time on social media than they are on TV, than they are reading the newspaper, magazines. It's just where eyeballs are. So when we're looking to market our business, we really need to look at, when we're wanting to make money, we need to look at where the eyeballs are. So specifically, it's not just about going onto social media and picking your favorite social media channel. In fact, that's where a lot of people do it wrong. You need to go out there and you need to pick the places where the eyeballs are, right? We really got to know where the eyeballs are. Because if we don't know where the eyeballs are, then we're just going to be putting our message and marketing ourselves out to air. So we really want to make sure we do the roots of the work. We want to make sure we exactly know who it is that we want to go out there with. And I've shot another video specifically talking about, how to find that. So make sure to click on my channel and find that video of understanding specifically how you can identify your prospects. I have a 3-step system that we follow, and you can click on that on my channel. But really we want to identify, and we really want to find out who it is that we want to help, because again, if we don't know who that is and we don't have it really ironed down, and so many people mess this up, but if you don't have this ironed down, it doesn't matter what else you're doing or how much money you're spending, you're talking to the wrong people. So we really want to make sure not are we just going out to social media, but we're going out to social media and we're doing it on the right social media platforms. When we do that, we're entering then into a marketplace where people are coming right to those social media platforms so that they can find content, watch videos, right? Just like you're watching this one right now, to find help, right? To find help, right, with the problem that they currently have. So once you identify the problems, identify the who and all of that, you're just going in there and you're helping people online. They're searching for your help. They're finding your help on these social media platforms. And then they're going to your profile. They're friending you, right? They're following you. They're wanting to see more stuff. But ultimately, when you start putting out offers and you start getting those people to start watching you more and more and more, right? They're going to either get on your list where they're going to click on something, get something for free from you, or guess what? They're going to come to a workshop, come to a presentation, come to something where you're able to demonstrate to them exactly how you can help them. And then when they're ready to buy from you, they're simply going to raise their hand and tell you that they want your help. So before I go over which one is going to be better for you, I want to ask you, are you on social media? Are you marketing your stuff online? Let me know exactly where you're marketing your stuff online right now in those comments. So which one is better for you as a life coach and healer? Which one is better for you to go out there as a life coach and healer and find clients consistently, right? Which one is better for you to put your content out there, put your stuff out there so that people who need your help will come and look at it? Right? Well, I'm going to tell you, if you're looking to find money right now and you're looking to find clients right now, your direct response effort of going out there where your eyeballs are right now, hopping into that marketplace and literally putting out an offer into that marketplace where people are going to be able to take you up on that offer, show interest, you're going to be able to talk, get to know people inside that market, but you're also going to get to identify all the different problems that you're going to be able to have. I just think it's a lot faster for you to go in there and you're able to, find, right, your clients a lot quickly, a lot more fast. It's a lot faster because you're in there right now helping them with the current problems that they have. But until we get in there, until we start putting that content in there, until we start really figuring out what the problems is that we can help, is really before we can go in there and we can start doing any type of traditional marketing. Traditional marketing is expensive. And usually when we're doing traditional marketing, we're doing it with what we classify as a control, so a funnel, a website, an offer that's already converting without spending money to get it to convert. We're usually already doing it with a control that's working. The reason that is because that's the way we can measure, right? We can say we can spend X number of dollars on X, traditional marketing outlet where we're going to have to pay money. The great thing about social media is a lot of that distribution is free. You don't have to spend ads, to find clients on social media. There's tons of ways, and I got tons of videos here showing you exactly how to do that on this channel, so you can make sure to click on those videos. But remember, social media is a great place to meet people. It's not the place where you're going to go make thousands of dollars, where people are just going to hand you millions of dollars on social media, but it's a great place to meet people and a great place to start those conversations with the people that need your help. Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to make your first or next 100K online so that you can go out there and be a life coach and healer full-time and help heal the world full-time? Well, then I'm about to throw on a workshop showing you exactly how you can do just that so that you can make your first or next 100K in the next year. And you can right now sign up for this workshop by heading to www.100kjourney.com/register, or simply just click that link down in the comments. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking on that link in the description and coming and hanging out with us in our free workshop real soon. We'll see you next time.